All right, welcome to this video on how to create your table and your graph. So this is just a quick tutorial on how to record your data in a table and on a graph. So if you click on the link, it's going to take you to Desmos. Now in order to create a table, I just click on this drop down bar and I click on table. And again, I just expect you to show from 0 to 6. So I'm just going to go ahead and type these all in right now. That way I have them. So when I went to 0, and if I look back at the last video I just created, I saw that 0 had 1, and then 1 had 3, and then 2 had 5, and then 3 had, can you guess it? 7, yep. What do you think 4 had? 9, yep. And 5 had 11, and then we had 13 here. So if I click off it now, just take a snapshot of that, put it in your presentation, then you have a graph already made for you. Now, look over here. What do you have? Well, you have a table. So I want to make some adjustments to this table before we take a picture of it. First of all, if you click over here on the wrench, I just want to click on arrows. That way you have the arrows here and you have the arrows down here. Now the other thing I like to do is I like to connect these right here. So if I click on it right now, it just takes it on and off. But watch this. If I click on the cog up here, and it's on edit mode, now I can do this and it forms a line. And I can have the line look different ways. So how do you want the line to look? So if I click on it like that, so you're going to have to decide, I'm going to have to edit it again. So you're going to have to decide exactly how you want it. What color do you want it in? So maybe you want to have a theme. I think I'm going to go ahead with this. Now, ideally, in a situation like this, it's not picking it up with the it's not picking up with the arrows because it's only graphing what you see right here. So it's not showing that it's a linear relationship. It's just plotting these numbers. So that's okay. So now that you have it here, you have the line, go ahead and take a screenshot. The screen, would probably come in here and take a little bit extra. Take a screenshot of that, throw it in your presentation. Now you have a graph. Now, how do you show growth with this? Somehow you're going to have to show that for every 2 it goes up, it goes 1 over. So you're going to have to decide how as a group, how are you going to show that growth? All right, so again, if you have any questions, just let me know in class. Thanks.